Are you looking for a quick, delicious rice recipe that you can put together under a few minutes? I got you covered. Let me walk you through how you can put it together. For this recipe, we are making use of mackerel fish. Start by adding the mackerel into the pan. Season with some onion, some black pepper and white pepper and salt. Add a little bit of water to it. Cover and allow to steam for at least 5 minutes. While the fish is steaming, I'll go ahead and prep the pepper. I have 1 carrot, 3 cloves of garlic, the green and the red bell pepper, and 1 onion. I'm going to go ahead and add chili pepper to this later, alright? I soak it in the water. When it's soft, I will add the chili pepper and I'll go ahead and blend it roughly. Not too smooth and not too rough, alright? Back to the fish. The fish are steamed very well. I just go ahead and add the pepper. Add some oil to heat as well. I will season with some curry powder, thyme and seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, alright? Once I add my seasoning, I gently stir everything together. You guys know that we are working with fresh fish here, alright? You don't want your fish to scatter into the rice, alright? Just be gentle. When you are stirring it, be gentle, alright? Or you can just hold the pot, the 2 sides of the pot, and then you shake everything around, alright? Once I stir it very well, I cover it and allow to cook. While it's cooking, I am checking on it so it doesn't burn. The sauce has cooked to my liking. I'll go ahead and add my rice. I'm making use of basmati rice, but feel free to make use of any rice of your choice, alright? Once I add the rice, I added some hot water. I'm making use of hot water, alright? But you can use cold water or warm water. It doesn't matter, alright? Once I add the water, I just gently move the fish and the rice around, alright? So they doesn't break apart. Be gentle. You have to be extra gentle with this fish, alright? We want our fish to stay intact inside the rice, alright? Once I stir everything very well, I just go ahead, taste for seasoning. Everything was perfect. I cover it and allow to cook on a very low heat, alright? The rice has been cooking on a low heat for about 20 minutes now. I came to check on it and it needed a little bit of water. I just go ahead and top it up with water, cover it back and allow to steam again for about another 5 minutes. And at this stage, our rice is done. You guys, it smells so good, guys. I gently remove the fish out of the rice before I go ahead and give it a final stir. And this concoction rice is concoction. You guys, it tastes absolutely delicious. As you guys can see, the fish is very much intact. It doesn't scatter. If you gentle with it, your fish will stay intact, alright? I will just go ahead, give it a final go stir, and it is ready. Our lunch is done. You guys, it tastes so delicious. I know I said it earlier, but it tastes absolutely amazing. You have to go and give this recipe a try. Trust me, you will not regret it. To finish it up, I garnish with some fresh onion. This is optional. If you don't like it, just skip it, alright? Give it a final good stir and it is ready. Serve and enjoy. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!